Hey guy, you wanna learn how to make some cool animations like this one? What do you mean you don't? What? You some kind of lame-o or something? Okay, anyway, let's get started.
Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in making animations like this yourself, as sort of like an introduction to a video of your own that you're making, or as an entirely digital story in and of itself, then that's great. Please subscribe, and in the comment section, tell me what you'd like to learn first. That will determine which tutorials I put on this playlist by demand. So once again, please subscribe, put a comment down there, and then I'll know what my next assignment is from you. Thank you very much. Let's get busy. This is fun stuff.
Come on, guy. It'll be fun. Don't be such a lame-o all the time. Jeez.